Let's count my birds. One parrot, name Coco. Two cocktails, girl, Zuma, boy, Pikachu. One rose, name Mango. She looks like mango. Come Mango, let me pick you on my hand. Mango WHY, are you running? Okay, at least let me pet you on her head. Oh, what a cute rose, bird, but she does bit kinda hard though. Sub to my channel, guys.